Stuck with the AllJoyn Router Service DLL failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for AllJoyn Router Service, you can access a utility to help standardize your system references. This is the AllJoyn Router Service. It handles the communication for Internet of Things, IoT devices on a local network. It allows Windows to discover and control smart appliances. If corrupted, the AllJoyn service will fail to start, which can cause high CPU usage in svchost.exe or prevent smart home dashboard apps from detecting hardware. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. This is an OS-level file error that requires a system integrity scan. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to allow Windows to verify its core files and automatically restore AllJoyn Router Service DLL. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including AllJoyn Router Service, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. Because the restart didn't stabilize the connection stack, we'll perform a full network synchronization now. Open Command Prompt as admin, then run these two commands. First, type netsh space IINT space IAP space RREESSET, then hit enter. Second, type n.etsh space WINSOCK space RESEET, then hit enter again. Why are we doing this? Well, this process clears the internal network plumbing by purging corrupted configuration caches, ensuring that your connectivity DLLs can re-establish a clean handshake with the OS. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Be highly suspicious of any site that recommends disabling your endpoint protection to install AllJoyn Router Service DLL, as this is a standard red flag for malicious software injection. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. Review guidance on library management and system stability by accessing the repair-related resource linked below for AllJoyn Router Service. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix AllJoyn Router Service. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.